Chapter 1: Living World and Classification of Microbes.
1.
Who is considered the father of the Five Kingdoms system of classification? A. Carl Linnaeus. B. Robert Whittaker. C. Haeckel. D.
Chaton.
Answer: B. Robert Whittaker.
2.
Which of the following is the correct hierarchy for classification? A. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. B. Kingdom, class, order, phylum, family, genus, species. C. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. D. Kingdom, phylum, order, class, family, genus, species. Answer: A. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species.
3.
In which year did Robert Whittaker propose the Five Kingdom classification? A.
1735.
B.
1866.
C.
1969.
D.
1925.
Answer: C.
1969. 4.
All types of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in which kingdom? A. Protista. B. Fungi. C. D. Animalia. Answer: C.
5.
Which scientist divided the living world into two groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, in 1925? A. Carl Linnaeus. B.
Chaton.
C. Copeland. D. Haeckel. Answer: B.
Chaton. 6.
Microbes that are on the edge of living and non-living are called: A. Bacteria. B. Fungi. C. Viruses. D. Protozoa. Answer: C. Viruses.
7.
The cell wall of fungi is made up of a tough and complex sugar called: A. Cellulose. B. Pectin. C. Chitin. D. Lignin. Answer: C. Chitin.
8.
Which of the following organisms belongs to kingdom Protista? A. Lactobacilli. B. Amoeba. C. Aspergillus. D. Mushroom. Answer: B. Amoeba.
9.
The size of bacteria is approximately: A. 1 nanometer to 10 nanometers. B. 1 m to 10 m. C. 10 m to 100 m. D. 100 nanometers to 500 nanometers. Answer: B. 1 m to 10 m.
10.
Which microbe causes malaria? A. Entomoeba histolytica. B. Plasmodium vivax. C. Saccharomyces. D. Chlorella. Answer: B. Plasmodium vivax.
11.
The process of dividing living organisms into groups and subgroups is called: A. Adaptation. B. Evolution. C. Biological classification. D. Nomenclature. Answer: C. Biological classification.
12.
Viruses can only be seen with the help of an A. Compound microscope. B. Simple microscope. C. Electron microscope. D. Magnifying glass. Answer: C. Electron microscope.
13.
Which of the following is an autotrophic member of kingdom Protista? A. Paramecium. B. Amoeba. C. Euglena. D. Plasmodium. Answer: C. Euglena.
14.
Baker's yeast belongs to which group of microorganisms? A. Algae. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. D. Protozoa. Answer: C. Fungi. 15. 1 micrometer is equal to how many nanometers? Nm? A. 10^6 B. 10^9 C. 10^3 D.
10^12.
Answer: B.
10 to the power of 9. 16.
Moving, small rod-like microbes found in curd are: A. Streptococcus. B. Lactobacilli. C. Vibrio. D.
Coccus.
Answer: B. Lactobacilli.
17.
What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? A. Autotrophic. B. Ingestive. C. Saprophytic, absorption from dead organisms. D. Parasitic. Answer: C. Saprophytic.
18.
Which kingdom consists of single-celled organisms with a well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane? A. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Plantae. Answer: B. Protista.
19.
Bacteria reproduce mainly by A. Budding. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Simple binary fission. D. Spore formation. Answer: C. Simple binary fission.
20.
The National Institute of Virology, NIV, is located in A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Pune. D. Bangalore. Answer: C. Pune.
21.
Which virus attacks bacteria? A. Poliovirus. B. Bacteriophage. C. Influenza virus. D. Tobacco mosaic virus. Answer: B. Bacteriophage.
22.
In the five kingdom system, decomposers are specifically associated with A. Kingdom Plantae. B. Kingdom Animalia. C. Kingdom Fungi. D. Kingdom Monera. Answer: C. Kingdom Fungi.
23.
Which of the following organisms has an irregular shape and uses pseudopodia for locomotion? A. Paramecium. B. Amoeba. C. Euglena. D. Volvox. Answer: B. Amoeba.
24.
The size of viruses is approximately A. 1 to 10 m. B. 10 nanometers to 100 nanometers. C. 100 m to 200 m. D. 1 millimeter to 5 millimeters. Answer: B. 10 nanometers to 100 nanometers.
25.
Which organism causes amoebiasis? A. Plasmodium vivax. B. Entamoeba histolytica. C. Saccharomyces. D. Chlorella. Answer: B. Entamoeba histolytica.
26.
According to the 2011 census, how many species of living organisms are found on Earth? A. 50 million. B. 87 million. C. 100 million. D. 25 million. Answer: B. 87 million.
27.
Whittaker used which of the following criteria for classification? A. Complexity of cell structure. B. Mode of nutrition. C. Lifestyle. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above.
28.
Which of these is a multicellular, visible to the naked eye fungus? A. Baker's yeast. B. Mushroom. C. Aspergillus. D. Candida. Answer: B. Mushroom.
29.
The genetic material of a virus is A. Only DNA. B. Only RNA. C. DNA or RNA. D. Neither DNA nor RNA. Answer: C. DNA or RNA.
30.
Which of the following is a comma-shaped bacterium? A.
Coccus.
B. Bacillus. C. Vibrio. D.
Spirillum.
Answer: C. Vibrio.